Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Merryking M62 Translation Earbuds, a gadget claiming to translate 144 languages in real time. Sounds impressive, but is it actually legit or is it just another overhyped tech scam? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on my personal research and opinion. Always do your own homework before buying tech online. According to its Amazon listing, the M62 earbuds offer some big features: real-time two-way translation in 144 languages, offline translation support, though some of that comes at an extra cost, smart noise cancellation for clearer conversations, long battery life, multiple usage modes for travel, meetings, and daily use, ergonomic design and color options for a more personalized feel. On paper, this looks like a powerful translation tool, but the reviews tell a different story. The earbuds currently hold a 2.8 star rating on Amazon from over 100 reviews. That's not a good sign. One user said the earbuds themselves were fine, but the translation features were frustrating. The app was confusing, and the offline translator turned out to be a paid feature after you've already bought the device. Another user noted the translation speed was painfully slow, making conversations awkward, and many said it doesn't translate as you speak. It listens, then sends it to your phone, then plays it back. So, so it's not really real time despite what the listing suggests. There were also complaints about poor connection, a clunky app, and got a clunky app and useless instructions written in tiny print. So is the Merryking M63 a scam? Not exactly. It's a real product, but the translation feature doesn't live up to the hype. If you're looking for fast, reliable, real-time translation, this isn't it. You're probably better off with free apps like Google Translate. And that's it for today's review. If you've used the M62 or had a better experience, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest product breakdowns. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.